but the best price for your buck is going to be GPT-5. I've been using this for about a month now, and I can comfortably tell you GPT-5 gives you the most for your money, but it's not always great at coding. So you have to pick your battle there. And then Cloud Sonnet 4, I use that for about $12. Again, it's also decent, compared to GPT-5. GPT-5 is like the round, in my opinion, compared to Opus. It's not like Opus. It's better than Sonnet 4 in some areas, and it does very good job on fixing syntax error. So if you have a code or you did some vibe coding and AI broke the code, GPT-5 most likely is going to fix it for you. Opus was the O3 was most disappointing because it didn't really do anything. Also, same thing with Grok. Grok did not do anything at all for me. So that's why I used the least amount of time. Overall, I used about 660 million tokens to create this behemoth project. And this project I'm going to show you in a second was very good. I enjoyed it, but I use other things. You can see here, I back to my usage history goes back all the way to July 15th or July 21st, I would say. Let me go back to July 20th. Let me see. Let me just do 24th, I think. Not July 24th. Maybe August. Started getting into August or something. Yeah, so August is, so I started getting into about August 7th, maybe August 3rd. Yeah, August 9th August 7th till present day. Been doing it. And then you can go on demand usage, which you can go beyond your subscription. I don't recommend you do this. You can go broke before you know it. So this is kind of what my billing used to send. So if I go to any subscription, you can see here, this is gonna take me to what I've been paying. I've been paying $200 a month for this. A lot of money to be paying for that. So anyways, let's go back. Now that you saw what we're paying, what do we create with this thing? So if I go to my main website right now, this is a dashboard I created with. This is what I was able to modify. Now this original code was created by someone else, a friend of mine, and I made and enhanced the dashboard to my liking. The original dashboard just looked like it didn't have all these features. I added all this personal, I added media and learning, I added infrastructure and services, I added PowerShell scripts. I added all these things for me to make my IT infrastructure experience better. Now, I don't know if it's something you consider worth it for $200 a month, or if I could have hired somebody at fiverr.com to build me something for $200. So, but the point is, this is done by myself. I had to just think about it and do it. And this is all done with vibe coding. I'm not a developer. I'm not a programmer. I don't code. I just use vibe coding. Now, there was a lot of, let's just say, agony thing to think about, because I had to deal with a lot of, let's just say, AI failing to do most of the task. And then you go back in there, you deal with it, you fix this thing. But overall, I went ahead and made a nice tools for me to make things easier for me. Those are some of the things you can see I'm showing around. I made some document, I made some notes, etc. So overall, it was pretty good, pretty decent. But the hassle, I don't know if it's worth for everybody else, because all this thing you see did not fully finish. It's still not complete project. It's still beta.